Macintosh, Granny Smith, and Winona. Apple Bloom, are you sure, I can meet your family? Of course. Cyber Dodge Start? Meet Big Mac. Come on, Cyber Dodge Star, say hi. Hello, Big Mac. My name is Cyber Dodge Star. Big Mac. Cyber Dodge Star is a little shy right now, but, can you get to know him? Yep. Question, Apple Bloom. Why does Big Mac have to say, yep? Because he doesn't talk too much. Nope. Alright, nice to meet you, Big Mac. My name is Cyber Dodger. What am I supposed to say? Oh, yes. I'm Apple Bloom's boyfriend. And I've been looking after her just the way I want her. So, it's a pleasure to meet you, Big Mac. Yep. Alright, he's a little strange. Well, he is my brother, though. Oh, yeah, I do understand. And you know, I used to be good and everything. I was just wondering if I was really good. Cause I am the Cyber Dodge Star though, but I am just have stylish wheels though, and I also Cyber Dodge Star, calm down. Oh, sorry, Apple Bloom. I really am. So, what's been going on? Don't be shy, Cyber Dodge Dart. This is Granny Smith, my grandmother. Granny Smith? Strange. I usually have a grandmother that's called Granny Smith, but she died on Earth. That the Earth is crumbling, and she's all the way on the sky. What are you talking about, Cyber Dodge Star? Nothing. I was talking to myself. Okay, Granny Smith, this is my boyfriend, Cyber Dodge Star. And Cyber Dodge Star, this is Granny Smith. Oh, nice to meet you, Granny Smith. Well, nice to meet you too, Cyber Dodge Star. You know, Apple Bloom, I'm starting to like this family. I'm glad you do. There's like one more left. Yeah, I do met Applejack before. He used to be with Ace. Well, wrong. There's also someone else who you need to meet. Oh, hello there. This is my dog, Winona. Easy there, girl. I think she really likes you, Cyber Dodge Stars. Yeah, I can see that. Your family, I really like your family's Apple Bloom. That was very sweet. More like I was hanging out in the woods after you found me. Wait a minute, you Apple Bloom find Sabotage Store in the middle of the woods? Sure, Granny Smith. It's been a long time ago after I found him. You know, he's scared of villains. Apple Bloom! I only say that. What? I only say that to keep you safe. Oh, okay. Well, it's nice to meet you, Big Mac, Granny Smith, and Winona. So, Apple Bloom, I really like your family. Your brother, your grandmother, and your pet. They are good apple families. You know, apple families are really, really awesome. I know. That's the reason I want you to get to know them before you met them. Oh, that makes sense. Well, hey, hey, listen, families, I am the Cyber Dodge Star here. Hey, if you need anything, you can ask me or Apple Bloom or maybe Applejack or maybe Ace or that other tractor. Oh, what is his name? Gramps. His name is Gramps. Oh yeah, Gramps, yeah. Well, I better get going. Apple Bloom, if you need me, I'll be at the car wash if you need me. I'm gonna get myself a wash. I gotta say there, Apple Bloom, Sabotage Star is really nice. Yeah, that's the reason I bring them to you. So that way he gets to know you guys. Am I right? Yup. Well, I'm gonna get to Sabotage Star. I hope he hangs out with me. You go get him, Apple Bloom. Alright, I'm back. Oh, howdy, partners. So, what did I miss?